When we started in this industry, we noticed that the only way to guarantee complete quality in an industry that was so innovative is to be in full control of all of the productive processes. So we set out to do that, from the genetics to the way we farm, to the way we extract, to the way we formulate our products, to the way we take care of them, to the way we ship them and we deliver them to the final points of sale. These products, we can tell our customers in a transparent manner, showing them every lab test, that these products have been in our hands ever since they were a seed. We know exactly what that bottle has, and we take it as a responsibility to create that transparent line of communication with the end user. Or be it a little, what we produce is exactly what we can do with the highest level of quality. And that's a big differential. And one of the commanding reasons of that differential is that we partner with farms. We partner with regional farmers. We do these projects with them together. We deliver what pieces of technology we can deliver, and they deliver what they can deliver. And together, what happens is better because of it.
Here we've got 11 greenhouses filled up. We're germinating and popping seeds. The first day of it, we're putting about 100,000 seeds per greenhouse. First time we've done this, good genetics. We built some machines to actually get them in the trays, so we're hoping that it works. Like I said, everybody's getting gray hairs and getting a little worried about it, but we think it'll work. In 6 days, we ought to see some progress, but right now everybody's on pins and needles. So we're scared, but we think it'll work. I can't believe these things have already popped. It hasn't been but like 6 days, and clearly they've popped. They're looking amazing. It looks like the germination rate was great. Right now, maybe a 5% loss of something not popping, and sometimes it'll take up to like 10 days for you to see the last ones to start popping. I have seen them as late as dang near 2 weeks. So yeah, it looks like we're doing great. Looks like we might make it to the field with them. So we're stoked that this is happening. This is what we're talking about. This is where we're wanting to be after we get them popped. Our next step is taking it out to the field and getting them to grow. The reason being, you got them about 6 inches now. You don't want them above 14 inches. They get root bound in the trays. So like I said, our next process now is to take them from the trays and put them out in the field, and they're looking great. This is exactly where you want them. We're stoked, excited, grinning for sure. Very excited these finally grew. We were a little worried, but it worked out for the best, looks like.
So with growing hemp, it's quite a bit different than everything else. You have to monitor it a lot more. The ground prep has to be done very well. A lot of row crops have to have really good ground prep, but you're out there monitoring, making sure the water's good, making sure the fertilizer's good on them, and making sure they're healthy plants.
We just got them transplanted. So from the transplanter, in about 2 months, we should be expecting these plants to be about 6 foot tall. They should grow about 3 foot a month. That's what I'm expecting. So if we can get them there, then we'll have a great crop. We'll have a good harvest. We should be hitting around 3,000 pounds an acre. Everybody would be happy at 2,500, and I'd be happy at 3,000. So that's what I'm expecting.
First time that I stood in a field of hemp, I said, "This is my thing. This is really my thing." And the last 5 years have been, tough. There's been a lot of work, but more and more I find drivers of why to do this. People constantly thanking us for product. People that say, I can walk, my back is better, my son feels better of this, of that. We're not doctors, but people run into our product and then they call us. And it's the most amazing thing that's ever happened to me, to feel that I can work this hard and I'm reaching so many people in such a good way. There's not many better drivers than that, so it's very exciting. It's a big change what's happening with health and how health can be created. It's a big change. It's not a little thing. It's a very big thing to discover that we can create so many good things out of normal field plants. And I'm just proud to be in it. I'm happy. Very proud.